Yeah, in previous session, we have a posting period posting period variant error in MyGo postings. So it was not allowing us in the period 08. So now I just realized that somebody has by mistakenly changed the V3, that is from April to March to calendar period. But I was so confident that uh, because it's a training system, but I know like V3 is always be from April to March. So that the reason I have not verified whether somebody has selected this checkbox or not. So I should have verified V3 also because it's a training system. So the students who are trying to get trained or who are doing some practices are making small setting changes. So that is the reason we face this kind of errors. So in real scenario, we will not face this errors. So the period 08, which was coming earlier, is correct. So we can post directly in the period 8, and we don't need to make these particular transactions which we have used MMPV. So we don't need to use this transaction to change the period. So we can still go and calculate eighth period is for November because ours is V3. So we don't need to do this activity. Uh, Actually, I should have verified this one, but unfortunately, I was so confident that V3, because it's a standard one, will not have any mistakes. But one of the student have made these changes. So we can still go and post in eighth period. So this is one learning, and you can use during your practice.